How is range?
All right, Trevor, what day are we now? 7, 6?
I don't know what day it
I think
is.
we're at day 7. So we're actually a little bit down the street from Fine Arc's shop, and they say they actually have
I guess it's 100 octane.
100 octane pump.
So we're gonna give her some of that good today. And we can turn up the boost. No, we're not turning up the boost. I just want to make sure she's nice and safe. So we'll add a little bit of this. I don't know if I should go like a full tank of it or if I should just splash some.
I'm sure a 50/50 will bring you up to like 95 or something.
Oh, I mean, yeah, that's probably really good. So
Because it's
$9 a gallon. Look at that. We're already at $30. Normally that's what it takes to fill this thing up.
a little spendy, but it's a lot cheaper
So
than an engine.
we are headed to Honda Muscleman Circuit or Honda Muscleman Raceway today, which is kind of like a go-kart track, and I guess it's super sick. Should we do 5 gallons? It's already $50. Oh man,
The inner Trev is coming out.
Trevi's coming out. The pension penny Trevi. I mean, that's $60, man.
And half a tank is like 8 gallons. How far of a drive there is it?
Woo! $70. No.
$71.69 for 8 gallons.
Whatever, it's got that good.
You gotta pay to play, right?
Alright, we just topped her off with the coolant. Everybody else is getting all their trailers and cars and everything ready to go. I got the trailer hooked up. We're freaking ready to head to the track, I think.
There's some rest.
Alright guys, we are out here. It is day 7, track 4 of Drift Week. I'm gonna put my hat on. I probably look like a bum. Anyhow, so if you didn't see yesterday's video, we thrashed on this thing basically all day yesterday, and we got it 100% ready, and it's out here freaking ripping today, and it feels amazing. So, been doing lots of tandem stuff, or trying to do lots of tandem stuff. I feel like I have a really solid lead run on here, and when I follow people, it just kind of depends on how they enter that first corner, if I could basically downshift from 3rd to 2nd. But the gear ratios feel amazing. Feels a lot better than it did with the 315s in here. So, yeah, car's being super solid. The tires are like, I think it's just getting so freaking hot. The tires are literally boiling, and they have like blisters in them. If I could get a video of it next time, I will. But basically 6 laps, and they're like big old blisters. And then if you don't actually cool them all the way down, they basically just get really mad and chunk on you. So we're basically just kind of cooling down a little bit for lunch right now. Tonight, after this track day, we actually have a 6-hour drive to California. Almost 7-hour drive if we go to the track, and we actually are driving tomorrow. So that's the only track day where it's back-to-back with a decent drive. But yeah, super stoked with the car. It's actually feeling really good. Seems really safe, and you know, I turned the boost down. We're at like 16 pounds now instead of, you know, accidental. I didn't want to, 26 or 28 pounds. So again, if you guys did watch yesterday's video, I really appreciate it, and huge shout out to the guys out over here, that just pretty much everybody who helped me out and brought parts and delivered stuff and let me use their shop and all that crazy stuff, because I wouldn't be out here today ripping if it wasn't for them. So again, links in the description. Go show them some love on their Instagram. Tell them thanks for getting Trevi Boy back out here. But Adam's out here. He's trying to do some. Adam's out here trying to do some backies. But he's getting close. I'm just ready for some pizza. We ordered pizza just a little bit ago. But one of the things I was going to say is it looks like a homeless camp out here, just because everybody literally takes everything out of their car, out of the trunk. So it just looks like we're just going crazy out here. The other thing is we stopped by Walmart this morning, and we got some super cheap 13-inch tires. I'm going to swap these bad guys on there so I could start ripping, towing the trailer again. Alright guys, so we are wrapping up day 7, track 4 here at Honda Muscleman Circuit, and basically just hooked up the trailer and everything. We're ready to go. It's crazy, we're just like picking up parts as we go. Now we have a diff, we have an extra diff, and we have an extra head now, so we got more weight on the trailer than ever before. Now we have an extra vacuum leak. So we're basically rolling out right now, gonna go top up with some fuel, and we're basically driving straight to Phoenix, trying to have dinner with everybody, and then continue the rest of the way to California tonight, where I think we're gonna try to get a hotel somewhere. What do you think?
Car seemed fine.
Yeah, so I mean, the car was super solid today. There's one little injector wire, so I kind of messed with it. Last night I was being stupid, and I forgot to hook up a vacuum line, and I was basically pulling it through, and it pulled on the ejector wire. So like one of the ejector clips is kind of kind of loose or messed up or something. So like when I first started it this morning, or when we first got here, it started like going like it sounded like it was running on 5 cylinders again, and it freaked me out. But yeah, it's crazy. We used 3/4 of a tank of fuel today drifting at this little track, and that's pretty nuts. But Ty, what did you think today?
I think his course is like it was super fun. It was just like flowy, fluid, a lot of, like sick entries.
It was like it was sweet because it was like IMI, but
drifting course.
Oh, it was amazing drifting course, and then especially with the skid pad over there on the side.
Oh, you like
I would love to have this course like in my backyard, or like buy a track or something and have it like a go-kart track, you know, where you could actually make money and then drift on it for fun.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
So, but yeah, so on the road again, just freaking towing trailers.
7-hour drive and then drift in the morning.
Yeah, we got
7-hour drive tonight, through the night to a hotel, like our baby hotel. And
yeah, what time is it right now? So it's 6 p.m.
Stop and eat. So we're probably looking at getting into California at like in our region where we need to be at like 2-ish to 3 a.m. So and then we'd be at the track at 9, I think.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
Well, yeah, I guess let's freaking send it. Let's get on the road.
What happened, bud?
You forgot to tighten something.
Yeah, I could see it.
So we went from me over tighted things to under tighted things to under tighted things. Yeah.
I don't know what I would rather have in this situation.
Under tighted probably.
Okay.
Adam, how you doing? How's your trip going, man?
Adam.
You're tired?
The guy that does all the mobile alignments and the guy that does all the stuff up in Wigan that did mine before. He said he'll be in Adam's and have all the stuff with him.
Bozzy, how's your trip?
For a proper
How's your trip?
I've got work some.
How's your trip?
Adam, how is Grange?
How's your
I
trip?
love Grange.
Really?
Super fun.
Sick, just do not drop a tire. It'll happen, but just be prepared.
I did a lot when we went last time.
It's so confusing. See, I was nice enough when I ran into you today.
Yeah, he ran
on
into
the bit.
Still there? A little bit, a little bit.
That was good.
On the road again?
Runs on children.
Works.
Just take off the turbo and just.
Listen, put it in the car.
You're gonna get set.
That's the Von Gittin special.
That's the RTR. Yes, because they do that.
Put the
He does the grill for the Raptor as well.
put the
The what?
knockoff.
Oh, you got a copy?
It's a eBay. It's a China.
This guy.
China version.
How's JR going to buy another GT40 if he's
GTR.
buying copy shit?
I don't know. Yeah.
Gotta support him.
Are we far off leaving? Because Boston thinks that we've been here a while and wants to police toy suitcase out.
Nah, we're ready. Should have left the fucking Ford motor running. We have to work on it so much. I don't know.
We were thinking about it, like honestly, if this had a manual, the 2.3 probably would have been fine.
Oh, it was an EcoBoost. wasn't it?
EcoBoost Auto, yeah.
Oh, we gotta soften this boy up.
Oh yeah, how many's?
8.
8 soft?
Put it really soft, yeah. Yeah, but what?
I haven't changed a single adjustment.
Wait, were you using it all the way hard? Was it all the way hard?
It was all the way hard.
Okay, hold on, let's go back because I think I jacked it up. 1, 2,
How's it?
3,
Okay, let's get a vibration
4,
check.
5, 6, 7, 8. Well, it's
95 is
stock.
good. Anything else, meh. Pretty good, honestly.
Good no vibration?
I honestly think
Is it
all
a
the
solid
backies
subframe?
have smoothed my front tires off.
Smooth.
So mine is the
Yeah.
worst it's ever been.
Mine's the best.
And I
I'm
think
talking
it's my-
back to when I first bought the car.
It's
and it was
our
on
drive
suspension.
train.
I think it's my drive shaft.
Drive
Huge
shaft.
profile 17s.
Yeah.
Really? Drive shaft doing something?
I don't
Well,
know.
there's nothing else now. The diff.
Like there's no plane and I
there's
laid
no-
under there. I just think like it's never been
It's
balanced.
off balance.
Like,
Yeah.
If I could get rid of the diff, if I got a new diff in my car that didn't whine, it would literally be like driving a factory car.
Wow.
It's super nice to look at.
Mine was
Yep.
whining so bad.
That would be nice.
Mine's like a high pitched
Right.
whine until if you go to like 90, it quietens up.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine about. We tried going to like 95 earlier to see if it would like smooth out, and
If it
was
would
just,
find its spot.
and it was just, and it just got super loud. So I was like, 80. It's like silent at 66 though.
We're pretty content to sit at like 80 something.
Cool. All right. Oh,
You guys need
5 hours
fuel or
onward?
anything?
5 hours onward.
You didn't kill it.
It does feel better.
Yeah. Oh, it feels like a brand new car.
It's reading 14 now. Was it not earlier?
Alright guys, we've officially made it to California and Ty already feels like a criminal.
As soon as we crossed the state line, I just felt like I was doing something illegal, like driving a non-emission 2JZ swap Mustang. Like I just get me wet. Like I just felt like I was on edge. Like I was on edge.
Yeah.
I don't know how you guys do it.
So yeah guys, we're about an hour left of our almost 6-hour drive tonight. Basically a whole track day today, 6-hour drive, and then we have a track day tomorrow. That's the only time in this trip that that's gonna happen. But I think Luke and Adam and everybody else pretty much tapped out. We're trying to get a little bit closer to the track tonight. And yeah, just pretty much editing this video right now. Figured I'd close this guy out for you guys, but I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm super stoked that the car held together. And again, huge shout out to everybody who helped me get parts, and whoever, all you guys that DM'd me as soon as the video went live. Like it was almost overwhelming, like the support and how many DMs we actually received of people like telling us about their buddy, or they said, hey, I have this, or I have this in the garage. So I'm just so thankful to have you guys and the car community and all that stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Do it for Dale. Keep moving forward, and I think